GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini is a really good action camera, but it has its limitations. So the question is it the right camera for you and should you get it? When it comes to the video performance, GoPro didn't go on any compromise. Mini is basically the same like Hero 11 Black, it's just smaller. It has exactly the same resolutions and frame rates. It also has all the other features such as Hypersmooth, Horizon Lock, Autoboost, etc. And apart from the video, it can record time lapses, time warps and all other night effects. However, it cannot take any photos, which is a little bit disappointing, I must say.
And for those of you who still want to have some photos out of it, you can frame grab a 24 megapixel photo from your video recording in the highest resolution. You just need to play your video and take a screenshot of it within GoPro Quick app. GoPro Mini has the mounting fingers on the back and the bottom part of the camera, which can give you a lower profile and more mounting possibilities. Mini is perfect for capturing POV shots. Because it's lighter and smaller, it's more comfortable to wear on a helmet or head strap. Just mount it to your body or your gear, this camera is simply designed for it.
Yet it weighs around 133 grams, which is around 20 grams lighter than Hero 11. I must say, there are some lighter alternatives on the market. Honestly, I would love it if this camera was around 100 grams.
Mini doesn't have the front and back LCD screen, but this actually makes it tougher and more durable. You don't have to worry about it so much. When you accidentally drop it on the ground, you won't break a screen and it's gonna survive it.
With Hero 11 Black, the front and the back LCD screen are the most delicate parts of this camera, so we have to be very careful about it.
Hero 11 Black Mini still has a very tiny LCD screen, thanks to which you can change some of the basic settings. You just need to press on the mode button and shutter button to select it. Because there is no proper LCD screen, you can't see what you are shooting. It's harder to frame your shot, basically you're blind. If you want to change some of the specific settings, frame your shot or preview your videos, then you have to connect to GoPro Quick app every single time. Which means you have to bring your phone with you, which is a bit annoying. GoPro Mini comes with a new Enduro Battery inside of it, which offers better performance in cold weather environment and longer battery life.
Unfortunately, the battery inside of it is non-removable, meaning once it's dead, this is it, you are done shooting. So we have to recharge it, wait for around 1 hour, if not more, before we can use it again. And that, for many people, can be a deal breaker. But don't get me wrong, it's gonna be good for one solid recording session, it's not gonna last you all day.
Whereas with Hero 11 Black, you just replace a battery which costs around $20 and you can record with it all day long. If you want to have more battery life out of your GoPro Mini, then you need to connect it to a power bank or GoPro Volta, so you can quickly recharge it between the shoots. Now that you know that this camera doesn't have a big LCD screen, it has a non-removable battery and is harder to use, let me answer a simple question. Is it the right camera for you?
Well, it depends. I would say it's a great secondary camera, where you just want to have another perspective. Honestly, I think that this camera is simply ideal if you mount it to your body, So if you use a chest mount, head strap, if you mount it on your helmet or other parts of your gear, simply all other places where you don't need that screen, then it's gonna be ideal for it. I think it's also gonna be good for FPV drones and other activities where it can hit the ground. Because there are no screens, this camera will survive it. But if you want to see what you record, change settings or preview what you just recorded, then this camera is not gonna be for you. Honestly, I would say that this camera is for already experienced users who are willing to sacrifice the screens to get a more durable, tougher camera, which is a bit lighter. So let's summarize it all now. Hero 11 Black Mini is smaller, lighter, but also harder to use, so this camera is not for everyone. If you are new to GoPro and you are looking for your first camera, then you should better get Hero 11 Black. Believe it or not, but having that screen gonna make it simply so much easier for you to use this camera. But if you already have a GoPro and you are a GoPro veteran, you just looking to get a new perspective, then this camera gonna be great for POV. Alright guys, so hopefully this video helped you out to make your final decision whether or not GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini is the right camera for you. For today's video guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video. Bye!